Hi, Dan Smith here, and today I'm going to give you a video presentation for Assignment 1 for Cloud Architecture. Here's my go-to screen, CloudFormation. We'll create the network stack. Here's the stack name. I just use the same as the file name. If you're interested, B14 just means I've been through 14 tries of this. I don't use an IAM role for the CloudFormation, and I don't use a rollback trigger. Here we go. Next, and create. Jumping ahead, when you create the scaled web app, here's the cool way of choosing the subnets for the parameters for the CloudFormation. The web server is available in two availability zones, 1A and 1B. And if we go to the load balancer, we can copy the DNS name. We can put it here. And if we refresh that page, right now you can see we're on instance D9 DE. And I tried it again, and we're still on the same one. That's okay. And we try it, and we switch. Now we're on CCA2 for the instance. And refresh and refresh, so you can see we go back and forth. It's load balanced. I went to the EC2 instance console, and I terminated an instance. The auto-scaling group reacted. It tried to terminate the instance I had already terminated, whatever. But it did launch a new one. We can see the new one is ending in CF. If we look at the instances, we can see the same picture. We can see that there are 3 web server instances, and one is terminated. The other 2 are running. Here's our terminated instance. And here are the 2 that are running, DE and CF. DE is the old one, CF is the new one. And if we go to the DNS app load balancer, we can see that as we hit them again, there's instance DE and there's instance CF. Fault tolerant. I'm in the middle of showing what happens with high CPU load and the auto-scaling alarms. I've used load test 2, and you can see now as I cycle through the instances, the instance that ends in DE has 100% load. The instance that ends in CF has 100% load. There's a third instance that was newly started, ending in 11, that has 0% load. Here are the CloudWatch alarms. I've got a CPU high alarm, and you can see it's currently in alarm state. And I've got a CPU low alarm, and you can currently see it's in OK state. But if you look at the metric here, pretty soon it looks like it's going to go OK. You can see that the auto-scaling group has been creating new instances. We're up to 4 instances right now. If you look at the total number of instances here, there are 4. Well, the CPU load has been reduced, and you can see now we've had some terminations due to the CloudWatch low alarm firing. And if we look at the instances that are left, there are 2 instances left. Here you can see the transitions on the CloudWatch alarm. The low CPU alarm starts in alarm state because there's nothing going on. As I raise the load, it goes OK, and then as I lower the load, it goes to alarm. The high CPU alarm works just the other way. It starts from insufficient data to OK. As I load OK, it goes to alarm. You can see the auto scaling and the email actions that it performs. And then as I drop the load, the alarm goes back to OK. You can read the full report to see more demonstrations of additional features and a further description of the details of what's been happening, along with some references at the end. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.